My name is Mitch. Been with the sheriff's office here for 5 years now. When I first started, we had the traditional Class A uniform. All your gear goes around your belt, on the duty belt. Since then, we've switched to this outer carrier, which holds everything on your belt on the carrier. Your mags, I found, are a lot easier to get to. Pull them out, they're a lot higher than the traditional belt. High stress situations, you're able to get them out quicker if you need to. The handcuffs are more easily accessible. I've been on our local SWAT team for 4 years now. It's a lot different than a plate carrier or something you'd wear on a ERT team or SWAT team. It's a lot more comfortable. It takes a lot more load off your hips, and it's easier to carry. Other than that, it looks slick, looks professional. The only thing I would like to see more, if they had more of a way to display some type of pins, such as like ribbons or something you'd get for certain accomplishments or achievements that you can display on the uniform. Other than that, I've been really happy with this vest. I've had it for just over 3 years now, and this is the same one I've used since we've transitioned, and it's done really good for me. And I hear a lot of good things from other people. I've yet to hear anything negative compared to the traditional Class A duty belt.